Look at them for example. Their parents, if you let me attend this party, will assure you that I will study hard, believe, understand the importance of exam. He promised to study hard after party or finish way to balance my team better studying and having fun. Then party is chance for me to relax and spend time with friends. It will help me feel more reference and focus when I return to studying. Please consider giving me this opportunity.